13 News Now at 5:30 is back with a check on COVID-19 vaccination rates. Right now, at least 68% of people across the U.S. have completed at least the primary series of the vaccine. That does not include any booster doses. In Virginia, that number is 73%. North Carolina is 63%. Tonight, for the last time in his official role, Dr. Anthony Fauci encouraged Americans to get updated COVID-19 and flu vaccines. Ike Ejoichi has more from D.C.
All yours, Dr. Fauci.
For the last time before his retirement, Dr. Anthony Fauci speaking to the American people at the White House press briefing room. His message was clear. Americans should get up to date on their COVID and flu shots ahead of the winter season.
Maybe the final message I give you from this podium is that please, for your own safety, for that of your family, get your updated COVID-19 shot as soon as you're eligible.
Fauci says boosters will likely be a yearly occurrence due to the nature of new variants infiltrating communities. In terms of this year's bad flu season, Fauci says COVID essentially bumped the flu and other respiratory viruses off the table.
Back in 2020 and 2021, we were having the lowest flu seasons on record. So it's not surprising that we're seeing it return back.
Fauci has been a nearly constant source of information at the White House since the onset of the coronavirus pandemic, at times publicly at odds with politicians critical of his handling of the pandemic.
I have never made myself out to be the end-all and only voice in this. I'm a scientist, a physician, and a public health official. I give advice according to the best scientific evidence.
Fauci has given over 50 years of government service, a milestone that isn't forgotten on the infectious disease expert.
I'll let other people judge the value or not of my accomplishments, but what I would like people to remember about what I've done is that every day for all of those years, I've given it everything that I have.
Fauci says he has no problem testifying to Congress if Republicans call him to Washington. Ike Ejoichi, ABC News, Washington.